Hello, my old school soul food fans, followers. And today I'm going to be doing something I haven't shown y'all before. I'm showing you another method of cooking old school fried chicken. Number one, I'm going to be doing it in the deep fryer. And number two, I got another process that I have done it. So let me move the deep fryer back just a little here. I got chicken here. Only thing I did to this, it's been brining for 24 hours. I got salt and pepper, lemon pepper, garlic powder, and my Cavernous meat seasoning, beef seasoning. So 24 hours, I got it. It's gonna be to the bone, flavorful to the bone. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drain all the water off of it. Very simple. There's no egg, no buttermilk, no nothing to this. Now, what I'm going to do, I drained it. I got all-purpose flour in here. We'll put it in the bag here. Very simple. It's easy fried chicken. Easy as you can make right here. Now shake this up. Make sure it's all shake up good with the flour. You can braid it by hand you want to, but I like to do my shake and bake method, you know. Then I'm going to put it in my deep fryer here. That's it. You're going to get about 3 in here. And that's it. I'm going to let that fry. It's going to take about 15 minutes. Fry till it's golden brown. And we're going to come back and I'm going to show the result. Old school fried chicken. We'll be right back. Alright, y'all, we back. Okay, the chicken, you know, when you're cooking in the deep fryer, many years I've been frying chicken in the deep fryer. When it floats back up to the surface, that means it's done. So you can see this is floating to the surface. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take it out of here and put it on the pan here. See how pretty golden brown that is? This in here. Okay, I'm going to let that drain and I'm going to do the other 3. I got 3 more to put in there. 3 more to put in there. Like I say, this is the easy way to fry chicken in the hurry if you don't want to do it in the old school skillet. Take that up in there and put my other 3 pieces right in there. Like I say, this takes about 15-20 minutes, but these are the thighs. You know, thighs take longer. Anything else. Put them in there, and that's it. So we'll be back when this get ready, and we'll have us a plate of old school chicken. All right, y'all, we back for the last time here. Okay. See, it's floating here, so what I'm going to do, take it here, I'm going to let it drain in this pan on the rack. Nice and crispy. Golden brown. Look at that. That's chicken now. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to let that drain here. I'm going to cut this off. And I'm going to be right back here in about maybe 10 minutes. Let that chicken cool off a little. I can't eat it. It's too hot right now. And we're going to taste that chicken and we're going to see how it is. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back here. Okay. Let's try this. See how crisp. This skin is so crispy on this chicken. Look at that. See how crispy that is? I'll cut it open. Show you how juicy it is. See that? Chicken is done. See that? Perfectly cooked. No blood. Very pretty juicy. Look at that. Oh. This is good. Very good. Very good chicken. Look at that. Try it. I'm gonna quit talking with my mouth full. When you brine your chicken, the brine, the flavor go all the way to the bone. That's why I brine it for 24 hours, just to show somebody. Like, you brine your chicken in water, salt, pepper, lemon pepper, garlic powder. It'll go all the way to the bone. And this proves my point. So anyway, follow the recipe. If you don't have a deep fry, of course you can fry it in the skillet like I always do. But please comment, please share, please subscribe to my other channels. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day.